Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Train Town. My name is Smiley MK, and as usual I'll be your conductor, driver and train manager for this episode. In this video we're going to do the 8th whistleblower mission, which is School Daze Year 5. Let's get started.
Train Town final exam coming up. If you pass, expect a recommendation to the college of your choice.
Okay, it's the final maths mission. All these numbers here, you have to use all of them. There's the 4 equations, plus, minus, in a slightly different order, divide and multiply. Now you've got this nice little station pilot to help you if you need it with the division. You've got this train here. This station pilot will come in useful for when we need to shunt everything into here for the division. Don't think we'll need anything else for the multiplying. We just need this train. Now, as you may have seen, there are 2 computer-controlled trains that loop around on their own tracks that move independently. Now, they're just going to get in the way, obviously, so we are going to stop them. That'll be the first thing we do. We're going to have some accidents. And now we can get on with the job. Now, as usual, we are going to refer to Google and the walkthrough. Solutions given for this are, and I quote, 87 plus 24 equals 111, 64 minus 53 equals 11, 11 times 11 is 121, using all the 11s, and 189 divided by 9 is 21, so we better get going. As with School Daze Year 4, you get bonus time for completing the missions, or for completing equations. Nope, need to couple up one more. Four on here. One we can dump. I'll take the 8. Don't need any of these 3. I don't think. So the 4. As well with the School Daze missions, you can couple up at high speed without penalty. To get to that 7 wheel. What was it? 7 positive of the 8. Dump the 3. Nope, not there. So what music you getting, I'm afraid. This is not the longest siding in the world, but it should be long enough to take care of business. Nope, want full speed. And we don't want that line. That's subtraction. We want the addition line. '87. Stop doing that. Moving the camera away from what's going on, which is not good. And there we go, bonus time. I wonder. Okay, subtraction comes next. 64 minus 53 equals 11. You can see where the 3 is. Let's go and get the 3. I wonder if we'll finish this mission before we started it, like we did with School Daze Year 4. We don't need the 2 or the 9. Done that up here. You can go there. 64 I can see. Another one. Don't need 2, so let's get rid of it. Move it to the top line. The second line. Oh, the 64 and the 11 now. The numbers, we just need to shunt them in the correct positions. More. 4. The 11 about. 6 goes here. 11's now in position. Yeah, there's a lot of going back and forth in this, a lot of shunting, which I know is a bit annoying, but you're gonna do it. Once this is subtraction, so it has to be in the correct order. 64 goes here. 11 goes here. We can put the 11 at the bottom, the 53 here. With subtraction it does, of course with subtraction it does matter which way round you write it.
Good work.
And we get more bonus time. And we've only got 2 more to do. Next one is all the 11s. 11 times 11 is 121. Well, we need it 2, but we'll get to that. There's the 2. Just deposit the other 2 and the 9 there. What I'll do is I'll come back. Need one more 1. Actually no, I want to get rid of the 9. Need 4 1s to make the 2 11s. Not to work out. We need to put this one on the back of the 12 to make the 121. Now, the good thing about this is 11 and 121 read the same forwards as backwards, so we don't need to worry about any shunting or switching order when we get there. When we get to the multiplication line, we'll be done. Should move that there. Just move the shunter over here, so it's out of the way, so we can just move the multiplication train into position. Now obviously the 121 has to go in before this 11 here, as you can see. We've got the 121 on, on the back. So we can just move it straight into place. Nice and easy. Excellent.
Bonus time.
Let's go back and do the final equation, which is the division. You need to do 189 divided by 9 equals 21. And we can get the 189 straight away. The one for the 21, we'll need to shunt it a little bit. To move the 9 to here. And the 21 will be in position. And we will need the shunter. Take care of to push the cars into the correct slots. So what we'll do is we'll just quickly couple up. We won't do that. We'll couple up to this shunting locomotive. Disconnect the fast locomotive and let the slower one take over. Put the 189 on top, as it should be. It's not on top. God, this train is so slow. Save some time, I'll actually do... Wait, what? No, that's not right. 189 needs to go at the bottom, and it needs to be the other way around. I don't know, I've said it before and I'll say it again, I do not like this notation. It reads backwards. Most mathematical notation is done top to bottom and left to right. This is the other way round. And so it's not a good notation because it doesn't correlate with English. I'll just put the 21 here for now. Because we're here. I'll save some time, put the 21 in position. Put the 9 in position. And we can come back round and do the 189. Okay, one couple. And that is it.
Hokey smoke and Major Type, congratulations. NASA is calling.
NASA's calling. Yeah, maybe if you solve... Well, maybe if you can solve an amazing 6 small solution on Countdown, but this isn't... Well, this is actually probably... If you don't have the walkthrough, this is probably not much easier than solving a hard 6 small problem on Countdown. Or if you're in Australia, letters and numbers. What do you call it, letters and numbers? Seriously, that's the worst name for a TV show ever. Anyway, back on topic. We are now done with all the maths missions, which I know will please many of you. Well, I'm quite sad because I like maths. We got a good score, 22,183. I'd liked, at this point, I think some thanks is due to the guy who wrote the walkthrough, because without him I would not be able to do any of these missions. Neither would most of you, I don't think. That wasn't an insult, by the way. That was just a... That wasn't meant as an insult, by the way. That was just a statement of fact. It is a hard mission. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Next mission is Ice Cream Social, which is very tricky indeed. You're very tight for time. You have to be very quick. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I've been SpanMK. Hope you enjoyed the series so far. Pretty much done. Well, not done, but we're nearly done with it now. And I will see you on the next video of Ice Cream Social. Goodbye for now.